Hey, ever wonder about that little shock from a doorknob? Let's dive into the physics of static electricity.
Yeah, that little zap isn't magic. Let's figure out what's really going on with that tiny spark.
Is called frictional electricity. And yep, it's just from rubbing two things together. Simple as that.
So what's actually moving between them? The answer is super small. It's all about electrons.
A good way to think about it is like a grip. Some materials have a really weak hold on their electrons. So when they rub together, those electrons just jump from the weak grip to the strong grip material.
Okay, let's look at a classic example. You might even remember this one from school.
Glass has a weak grip, so its electrons jump right over to the silk. Now both are charged.
All right, let's try another pair. This time we've got a rubber rod and some fur.
But this time, it's different. The electrons actually move from the fur to the rubber rod. So the rubber ends up negative, and you guessed it, the fur becomes positive.
And you know what's really cool? All of this points to a fundamental law of the universe.
It's called the law of conservation of electric charges. A super simple but powerful idea.
Basically, you can't create or destroy charges, you can only move them around from place to place.
Which makes you think, if charge is just being moved around, what's powering something as huge as a lightning bolt?